I'm just gonna give you guys about 5 minutes or so of just seeing what Melissa looks like without any talking. Y'all take a look. This is from my patio. Oh my god. I tried to put my phone outside. Oh, that's dangerous. Oh, this is what we're in right now, guys. This is what we're in. This is what's going on right now. I'm okay though. I'm okay. No electricity, guys. No data. But I'm okay. That was for my thumbnail. What else can we do, Storm? What else can we do? There's nothing that I can do or we can do from here. The trees are dancing. Oh my god. We can't even see the clouds. We can't see the sky. Yep. Yep. This is definitely worse than Burial. Burial was horrible, but this is worse than Burial. Looks like white flashes, bro. So cold. Giving you another 2 minutes, guys. Another 2 minutes. Silent update. No talking. I'm talking actually. I'm talking. So cold, guys. So cold. I've seen storms, like a couple storms, like about 5 or 6 storms. I've experienced 5 or 6 storms in Jamaica in my time here on Earth, and I can tell you, this one is perhaps gonna be the most destructive one ever. I'll be surprised. I'll be extremely shocked and surprised if when I wake up and I'm able to go outside, if I don't see catastrophic damages. It started damages way before it came here. Broken light posts, broken trees, electricity wires down, everything is damaged. Wow. I cannot even hear the dogs in my neighbor's yard barking. This is an half an hour update. It's about 9 o'clock as we speak, guys. 9 o'clock. I did a half an hour. I did a update a while ago, about half an hour ago. Crazy. Crazy, crazy. Can't even see the skies, bro. And as a people, we think we have the power. We have absolutely no power. God controls everything. This alone shows you God's power. This alone, and this is nothing. Nothing compared to what God can do. He can literally wipe everything off the face of the earth with a storm. The Bible says, "Be still, for I am God." There you have it, people. There you have it. This is Melissa from the patio of my apartment. Alright, that's it, guys. I'll see you in the next one.